Contact pilots. You can contact pilots signed up for your race by using this tool. It operates the same way that Contact Members does. Input your text and hit send. Add a race to this event. Sometimes pilots want to stay longer, or you want to set up an event with two groups of people flying, then push the Add a Race to this event button. This will let you set up another race within your event. You can do some fun stuff with this, like grouping all your novices and experts into separate groups, or having the results of one race advance pilots onto the next. When you add the race, make sure to name it something different than the main event name. Delete. The delete button will remove the race from the website. Once deleted, a race cannot be restored. Please be sure before you delete the race. Congratulations on making it through Chapter Organizer Training. We are so excited to have you as a part of the world's largest drone racing league, MultiGP. Thanks to you and your commitment of making drone racing great again. From all of us here, the cast and crew of MultiGP.